Hi friends, and welcome to today's video. If you are new, I'm so glad that you are here, and you are new at a really good time. So I do a lot of giveaways here on my channel. I mean, honestly, I pretty much always have some sort of giveaway going on, but right now I have one of my massive giveaways going on. It retails for well over $1,000, and it's my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Super exciting. It's got so many amazing products. Of course, if you want your entry, all you have to do is be subscribed here on the channel and then leave me a comment on the giveaway video, which will be linked right in the description box below so that it's super easy for you to find if you are new and you want to get your entry. And if you're returning, hey girl, hey. So I'm excited. Today we're going to go through my regular Glam Bag. So this is the $13 bag from Ipsy. Most of the products that you receive in the $13 bag are deluxe size samples, but they do throw in some full-size products as well, which I love. And then we're going to go through that, but you guys, I want to tell you what I did. I did a thing. Okay, so I recently got back from Hawaii and I had a nice little golden tan going, and I live in Michigan where it's not quite summer yet. Like, we're just starting to feel a couple warm days where like spring may or may not be on the way type of thing. And I don't want to lose my tan. I love the golden tan. And I had heard a lot of good things about the Isle of Paradise tanning drops, where it's almost like a serum and you take a couple drops, put it right into your facial moisturizer or whatever. You can use it on your body, your face, and I've just heard really good things about them. I do believe BoxyCharm had them not too long ago. At that point, I was not interested in those at all. I didn't care if I didn't get it. I didn't choose it. I didn't want it. I wasn't interested in it. But now I was interested in it. So I went on Makari, which is great. I found somebody selling 2 full size of the medium ones, brand new, for I want to say it was like $8, and then $3.89 for shipping. I'm like, hell yeah. I love Makari, you guys. Definitely check it out. If you're looking for anything high-end, be it makeup, skincare, hair care, whatever, check Makari first before you go pay full price. But anyhow, so I got it and I tried it, and you guys, I love it. Okay, so last night, I should have done my whole body, but I didn't realize it would be this intense of a result from just one time. But last night I did my face and like my chest area, and when I went to bed it was the same color as my arms. Like, look at that. And what I did was I took 5 drops. It says on the instructions to take anywhere from 1 to 12. I kind of, now seeing how well it actually takes to my skin, I mean, I don't want to look super fake tan and like super dark. I just want to have a nice golden glow. So I think in the future, to keep up with it, I might do 2 to 3 drops for like my face and chest area, maybe like once a week, just to keep a natural golden glow going. But whoa. And another thing that I can't believe, I had to tell you guys about this because I am not a self-tanner lover, like at all. I've had some horrible experiences that I don't really want to talk about, and it really turned me off to the whole self-tanner shebang. But look, you guys, all I did was take 5 drops with my moisturizer already in my hand, rubbed it all into my face, on my shoulders, on my chest, and on the back of my neck, and on my neck, and that was it. I washed my hands. I don't have any orange on my hands at all. Like, that is one thing that I have had happen before, where you wake up the next morning and it looks like you dipped your hands in a bucket of rust and there's no way to get it off. And I'm a waitress, so that would be horrible, giving people their, orders and my hands look like completely awful. So I'm super grateful that I didn't have any of that. And then I want to talk about, there's like no streaking. Like, this stuff is like foolproof. Like you can't get it wrong. All you do is mix it in your moisturizer, rub it in. There is no streaks in my tan, and it looks like a natural golden tan. Like it doesn't look orange like I've seen before. There was like this little area right here that was kind of messed up. Now you can't see it because I do have some makeup on, but that was only because I've got this cut on my eye from my son hitting my toddler, busted my eye open with his toy. And so I've been using Neosporin on the cut here every night to try and minimize the scarring, you know, or whatever. And so there was like a little white area there because I didn't think about that I had Neosporin on that little area, but whatever. I am super, super, super impressed with that stuff. Even if you're not into like self tanners, but you're just looking for a really pretty, natural golden looking glow, I definitely recommend checking those out. You can find them on Makari, for super, super cheap. And believe me, like I said, I am not even a self tanning person, but I just had to tell you guys about this. I am blown away. Like I really like it, and it's something that I will definitely continue to use. Now, my thousands of dollars of different foundations that I have are going to be useless because I'm going to need to get some darker colors because I am freaking in love with that stuff. Okay, now you guys, let's go ahead and jump into the Ipsy. Like I said, this particular one is $13. You get to customize one product, and most of them are deluxe size samples. However, you do get some full size as well. I tried one of them out before work. So one of the products is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. It came in like this little card, and it is a mini size. I do have it on today. This came in the mail before I had to work earlier, and I really wanted to try it out. I think this is what I chose, if I'm not mistaken. So I've heard really good things about this, and I wanted to give it a try. I thought it was okay. I think it's a nice mascara, but I have so many mascara favorites right now that really just blow me away, that this was kind of like, yeah, it's good, but I don't know if it's my favorite type of thing. And it's good. It really is. Like my lashes look long and separated, not clumpy. I've been at work for hours. Like I literally just got home from work, and I've been working all day, and it didn't flake. They still look nice and lifted. It's a nice mascara. I just have ones that I feel like are a lot better. So now you also get these cute little bags with Ipsy, and both of their options get a bag. So they have the Glam Bag Plus, and that comes with like the Santa Sack bag, and then the regular Glam Bag comes with the little zipper bag, and I think this is super cute. It says Power Moves on it. It's got the neon zipper. And so I actually use these. I have one of these in my purse, these bags, because we get them every month at all times. And I keep all of my pens and like my wine opener, my lighter to light like birthday candles and stuff like that for like at work. So it's like full of pens, my wine opener, my lighter, everything I need for like in my apron for at work. And the one that I have is starting to look a little dingy. It's got little lemons all over it. It must have been a summertime one. And I think I'm going to switch that out for this one. I just feel like this is a perfect one for like all of my work stuff because it says Power Moves. I don't know. It seems fitting. So I think I'm going to do that. But yeah. Okay. So here is one of the products. I'm trying to remember. I know one of these, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Guys, I'm having the hardest time. Oh, okay. Now I remember. So some of these that I have in here are actually when you review your Ipsy bags, you can review the bag as a whole and then review each product that you got. You get points, and then you can use those points to redeem products, like add-on products, extra products into your next bag. And I think that's where this came from. I can't remember, you guys. I just can't. But anyhow, it is the Marc Anthony Coconut and Shea Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. It's supposed to detangle, moisturize, strengthen for softer hair. So, and it's also got biotin in it. That is a decent size for a this is a sample size. So I think that's pretty good for a sample size for a hair product. There's like Against My Hand for reference, and I have super fine, shorter hair. So this will actually last me quite a while. And I've heard really good things about like the Marc Anthony hair stuff, and I've never tried any. So I was excited for that. Next, we got a tiny little mini palette. And it is by Farah. This is, oh, what are the shades? I don't know if I'm going to be able to see the shades on that. But just kind of like a really cute little pink and bronze moment there. 2 shimmer colors. I like taking these little guys for travel, for camping in the summer, for, you know, any time that I am traveling away from the house for multiple days. I like to take like my little minis that I get with me. I do prefer when like my little, it be like a little mini quad that'll have like, you know, a whole look in it. It'll have a shimmer. It'll have something deeper, a deeper tone for the outer edge. It'll have something to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone. This is not really that, but it would still be good for travel. And I think the colors look cute. Let's swatch them. Okay, so that is the pink shade. Ooh, that's really pretty, actually. It's like a really pretty rose. Kind of reminds me of the shade that I have on my lids right now. Pretty. Okay, let's check out the bronze. The formula feels really nice on my finger. The bronze looks really nice, too. Okay. Okay, Farah. We will definitely check that out. Now this one I do believe was a add-on for reviewing products, and it is the Love Craft Beauty Gel Eyeliner. I just thought the color was kind of cool for the upcoming summer. Something different. I don't know, you guys. I just like this neon color, just something different, something to maybe throw, like when you're not doing like a whole lot with your makeup, kind of like line the very outer edge of your eye with it, and then maybe go in your waterline just for a pop of fun color. Yeah, so I thought I'd check that out. I do think that the color is interesting. And next from the Cream Shop, I have their Jelly Milk Daily Cleansing Makeup Remover. It says it's got green tea, rice enzymes, and white water lily. This is a deluxe size sample. And this is definitely the type of thing that I like to take with me in the summertime when we go on weekend camping trips, or like even week-long camping trips sometimes, just so that I'm not like especially when you've got 2 toddlers, a 14-year-old that won't go anywhere without bringing a friend. And yeah, so think about how much, you know, 2 car seats, 2 teenagers, 2 adults, my husband and I, like, try getting anything else in the freaking car. So packing light and small is definitely good. So I love having stuff like that. Is literally the only reason why I don't cancel my normal Ipsy bag. I love the Glam Bag Plus. There's some months that I've been like, wow, okay, Ipsy, get your shit together. This is not where it's at. But for the most part, I really like it. You get to choose 3 out of the 5 products. They're 5 full-size products. And typically I get really excited and I really like it. This one I keep because I love getting the minis for traveling and stuff like that. That's literally why I keep the $13 bag. Okay, this is actually a mistake. This was not supposed to be in my bag. It was not in any of my items that were going to be coming, and it's not something that I picked up on add-ons or through reviewing products, and it's in a color that will not work for me, so it's just, it got put in the bag by mistake, but it is the Winky Lux Peeper Perfect Concealer in medium plus. So I did take a little bit out and swatch it to see if it would work for me. It's just definitely way too dark for me for a concealer. Maybe in the summertime if it was like a foundation, but it's no. I mean, even then, it's just, I don't know, maybe if I had a good tan going, but not for a concealer. So I will see if I can find somebody that might want to try it if they, you know, have a little bit of a darker skin tone than me. And then last but not least, you guys, this cracked me up. So this is the First Aid Beauty. This is like a little mini eye cream. It's clearly a deluxe size sample, but you guys, look how tiny that is. It's like the size of my finger. Like, this is the tiniest little mini, and so is the Winky Lux. These are like itty bitty little guys. Like, I remember when the deluxe size samples like all used to look like this. Do you guys remember that? They are getting smaller and smaller. Now, granted, it is an eye cream, but even if I was going on a week trip, I would need like 2 of these, I feel. I mean, I don't know, maybe not, but I'm kind of feeling like I would. So I don't know, we'll give it a try. I do like First Aid Beauty. I'm just surprised at how tiny it is. Look at this deluxe size sample and look at this one. It's like, dang. But yeah, so that is my March Ipsy. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Definitely make sure that you have your entry into my giveaway, and definitely keep your eye out, you guys, because this week I'm going to start my, as you know, I had been doing a makeup tour series here on my channel. I'm going to start my palette collection this week. It's definitely going to have to be done in more than one video, because I have a lot, but I'm going to start it this week, and I'm so excited. So definitely keep your eye out for that. And until then, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you soon. Bye.